So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we will be discussing about Tata Motors share. So we know that today we have seen some correction in the market. So not only Tata Motors, so many stocks have shown correction. So in previous videos, we have discussed about Tata Power as well. So I'll make set of videos regarding stocks which can be bought, especially during these time where correction is present, because it is an opportunity for us. Especially when blue chips start falling, we need to grab them and we need to hold for long term. So make sure you're subscribed and also press the bell icon and also join the Telegram, because any instant updates I'm posting in Telegram as well. So we know that in Tata Power some latest updates are present, so that also clearly I have explained. So before starting, if you're having any doubts regarding any stock, do message me in Instagram. ID is Stocks Diary YT. So there you can clarify your doubts, like whichever share it may be, you're struck at any particular levels, try to message the price where you have bought. I'll discuss the levels, and also if you want any separate video analysis also, I'll make a video. So let's get started with Tata Motors. Okay, so if we see today's trading activity, so we can see roughly 27.41 deliveries have been taken. So the time was roughly around 3 o'clock. So this data is with respect to 3 o'clock data. So you can see 27.41 deliveries have been taken. So there are various updates as well, like the European sales of Tata Motors was also released. So we'll discuss that first and then we'll switch over to the volume analysis. Okay, so if we see the European JLR sales, so this was data which was released today. So if we see the sales, you can see 5,430 units have been produced, versus if we compare with previous year, you can see 7,805 units have been produced year on year. So that time we know last February month, we know that COVID pandemic was not that spread, we know that, right? So that time it was not that, so that time sales were little high, but later we know that sales dropped consistently. And also we got update yesterday regarding Tata Motors in talks with electric mini trucks, also developing hydrogen tech, says Girish Vaugh, head of commercial vehicles. So about this also, people who don't know, make sure you note it. So separate mini electric trucks are also under talks. So don't neglect all these talks related to Tata group, especially Tata Motors, Tata Power, or it may be any other stock. We are discussing all these stocks, so stay updated. So now let's see the volume analysis. We'll try to find out how the deliveries are fluctuating. Okay, so if you see the day-to-day wise deliveries that have been taken in Tata Motors, so you'll see roughly very less. So you can see on March 16th, only 8.9% deliverable quantity was seen, and earlier you can see 23, again 19, after that 14, 16. So continuously we have seen some decrease in deliverable quantity because of various global factors. We know market is also volatile, and also globally all the markets are also reacting in downtrend, because whether it may be due to COVID cases or it may be because of US bond yields. So don't take it as a negative thing. So take it as a opportunity. So today, if you see, it is 27% deliveries. So it has increased as compared to its last, we can say 5 to 6 days delivery volume. So that is again a positive note for the company. So deliveries, why it has increased? Because market has corrected. So many people took it as an opportunity and they started investing in this particular stock. So obviously we also discussed that if fall comes, we need to buy each and every stock which has good fundamentals for long term. Okay, hope you're understanding. So deliveries have increased as compared to past previous days volume as well. Okay, so you're back onto technical charts. So in technical charts, you can see the stock, when it has gone up almost near 350, 355, it has started correcting. Because if you see the rally, you will be surprised. See, this much big rally has come. So obviously in between, we will see the corrections. So what is the next immediate support? So you can see first one is 300. Okay, so 300 is one very important level. After that, you can see here, what is that? Our favorite 50-day exponential moving average. So whenever the stock approaches that 50-day exponential moving average, we considerably see some positive movement. So that may also be seen. If tomorrow market is positive, it may retrace from those particular levels only. If the profit booking which we have seen today, if it continues, then this 50-day exponential moving average will be very crucial, and you can average at that particular level. So many people are having panic situation, why market is falling, my market is falling. So you need to understand bull run was continuing in the market, so continuous we have seen the uptrend. So now it is time to see little correction also, not complete correction, little correction happens, so that is where we'll have steady growth. So if you're not able to bear this particular correction, then it will be little risky for you to hold the stocks for long term. Don't book any loss, nothing loss. Loss basically occurs when our mindset is weak. So if you're having a weak mindset, that time only you will have the loss. You'll try to exit, basically you'll try to exit, you'll see you'll basically feel the panic. So when you feel the panicness in the market, you'll start selling. So once you're invested in good quality stocks, only try to average, so then only you can generate the wealth. So support wise, I discussed 300 rupees is first support. After that we have the last support if market corrects further, so that is 50-day exponential moving average, which is coming under 292. So after that if it respects, then 325 is the first target. After that it should approach 350. Okay, so these are the two targets for midterm, supports 2, resistances 2. Hope clearly you have understood. So money flow index also has settled little bit because of this heavy we can't say profit booking. So money flow index, when it was trading in overbought region, so that has also come down. So further, if you're having any doubts, message me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDerive IT, and also you can comment in this particular video as well. So until then, take care, bye bye.